Okay, here's my apartment. It sucks. It's fucking raining. It's raining and it's friggin' raining. And I hope I don't get electrocuted, but the lady on the phone actually said, why don't you go out there with a bucket? What the fuck am I gonna do out there with a fucking bucket? Like, look at that shit. Look at it. It's fucking floating. Like, who built this place? Like, where's the drainage? Like, it's fine out there, but look at this shit. I saw it coming, but my whole apartment's soaked. Like the footprints. I hope I don't get electrocuted. Or you're from this house, there's reason if something does happen to me. Anyways, this sucks ass. Like, really sucks ass. So, it's kind of chaos. I don't know. Oh, motherfucker. A bucket. Seriously? A bucket?